Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Jerry here. Today I am going to be throwing clam. I just had a couple little hits, so there definitely are small spoolies around here. The plan is we're going to be throwing some small clam. Hopefully see what's out there, taking a look around the water, kind of just feeling it out with bait. And then I also have some bunker. I might throw that later on, but I'm going to be throwing some clam first. So let's get in the water, which I am now. I have got a couple of small hits, definitely small fish, but hopefully we'll get a few in tonight, and let's see what happens. And you can see there it is rocky here, so I'm casting beyond the rocks. When I bring it in, I'm bringing it up fast and high so I don't get caught up on them. I've been lucky so far. So just getting started here. I haven't had a hit since I last spoke to you guys, but looking good. I have a good feeling today. Good feeling. All right, let's get out and let's see what happens. Tell you a cool story about this place I'm fishing. Well, it was one of the first places I fished when I was a kid. Actually, when I was 12 years old or so, we used to sneak out, take the bus, and walk all the way down the boulevard here to go fishing. And we get all kinds of fish here. Actually, a lot of my first fish were here. Sometimes my dad would take me. Sometimes we'd sneak down here. Sometimes I'd ride my bike. But it's always good to come back and, you know, there are definitely big bass in here, so it's a really great day out just to, you know, get out here close by and enjoying the day. Let me show you the rig here. Nothing special, but I'm using 4 ounces slider to a barrel swivel, 40-pound mono. Probably could go lighter with these small guys, but no big deal. 6.0. That's a big river hook actually. I just use what I got and make sure it's sharp. So, all right, let's get out. Now I am using a little bit bigger hook, 6.0. I like the 6 because I got bunker too. I could go right to it. And these are smaller fish and less chance of foul hooking them. I'm gonna definitely fish through the tide. I'm hoping maybe some bigger fish will come out when the sun sets. We still got a lot of tide left. We'll be fishing till dark. I got bunker and everything, so I have some clam left. Should have enough to fish into the night. Not bad. Getting my feet wet over here, looking around. And this is probably my second time out for these guys, so we're getting on them. Now you could definitely throw lures. If the fish are ranging kind of far out, you know, I would say at least 150. You can see here, he's getting out there, you know, 200 feet, 300 feet. They're just not close in, maybe at night, but there's a chance of hitting them on lures. But it's just not feasible at the moment here. I am using my favorite setup. This is my Penn Squitter 140. And this is my Penn Spin Fisher, big game, conventional model, surf rod. Been using this setup for years and years and years. Is it overkill for this? Yes, but there definitely could be some bigger fish out there, and I don't know what to expect. So just enjoying the day, fishing a little more. It's getting dark now, so we'll see what happens. Again, like I said, there are fish all over the place. I even heard of some being caught around Jones Beach recently. But I think wherever you go, you're going to have similar results. So, the good bites all over. You fish bait right, you have less impact on the fish than if you were fishing with lures. So you just get that solid hook. Let's get them out there. Ooh, look at It's a little bit healed over, I think. Okay, everybody, thanks again for watching. This is I guess my second time getting my feet salty, so not bad. Just getting out there, getting going. So I'll see you next time. And remember, always fish your way. Comment, like, dislike, subscribe or not, and I'll see you out there. Thanks again for watching. Real quick, when you do this by yourself, this is how you get a read on the water. And you throw some bait and see what's out there, and you come back, figure if it's worth it or not, to hit it up another way. This is one way how you deal when you fish by yourself. This is how I approach it. Hit it up with bait, and see what's out there, and then they hit it up with bait again, bigger bait, and then get a good feel of the water. And then the next time I go, I like it, fish are in my range, I might take the fly rod, I might take my casting rod, I might throw bigger bait, and run from there. This is how when you fish alone, this is how you start.